Welcome to the Chapter Websites intro series. My name is Cyril Burnside, and in this video, we will go over how to use your chapter directory. Okay. Now, your chapter directory is where all of your members maintain their own personal profiles. Okay. So, as a public view or visitor that actually looks at your webpage, they will only be able to see the directory name, face name, and position they have in the chapter, and that's it. That's as far as they will be able to see. But you, as a member, once you log in, you'll actually be able to see more. You'll actually be able to see the actual profiles of each member. So what I'm going to do is show you how to get there. On the main menu, go all the way down to members and come down to where it says login. Click that. You'll be presented with this page right here. And now what you're going to do here is just log in. Okay, put your username and password. I already have mine in here, so I will go ahead and click login. Once I log in, I'll be presented with my profile. So in this video, we want to go over the actual chapter directory. So the chapter directory is very flexible. You can search. You can search by name. You can search by auxiliary. You can also search by certification. You can also do a combination of searching also. So let's go ahead and get started with that. Let's do it one that's real simple. It's called search by name, right? So I'm going to say Brown. If I search by Brown, it's going to bring back every member with the name Brown. Okay. So when I put a name here, it's going to search the first name and the last name column to come up with this result. Okay. To reset our search, just delete it and hit search again. You're going to get all the profiles back. The next thing that we're going to go over is how to search by auxiliary, right? Who's participating with auxiliary. So in this case, let's look at our Amici, right? Okay, so out of our 40 members, we've got 14 members that are actually participating or working with the Amici auxiliary. We're going to clear all. Say we want to know who actually has an Amici certification. Okay, as you can see, we've got 24 that have Amici certification. Okay. If you came back and say who was working with the Amici program, you see we came all the way down. Those that are currently Amici certified, working to Amici auxiliary as well, right? Let's clear it here. Let's say who is working with our youth program. So let's look at Perlets. 17 members of our chapter are working with Perlets. Okay. Out of these 17 members working with Perlets, how many of them actually have the youth certification? Only 3. See? So very quick, you saw what we just did. We were able to search by name, search by auxiliary that they're currently working with, search by certification. And we also combine these two to say, get a deeper look at who was working with program, auxiliary, and also certified, right? If you just want to use certifications without using auxiliaries, we can also come in and say, out of our 40 members, how many of us are of our risk management certification? 38. Okay, so this is one way for you to be able to get those numbers real quick, provided your members are keeping their profiles updated. So obviously you probably want to have an announcement of some sort, tell everyone, hey, update your profile by XYZ date. And then once they do that, you can actually come in and quickly query and see who has what certifications, right? So again, this is your chapter directory. My name is Sarah Burnside again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.